Can you describe what happened in details?
I came back from a work at around 7:20 and parked in a friend, only to notice the lights were on and through window I could see my house was mess. Then someone rushed me and got into the car.
I see. And did you notice any recognizable features?
Not really, I was in a shock, so I didn't notice their features.
Car number?
It was AP24HH or something. I don't remember the last 4 digits, but I do remember it was between 1 to 9 and none of the digits repeated.
We need to find out who the car belongs to and repair like trees. Come, let's see how to find the missing digits of the car. To Bhavishya and Detective Dashni, we find the numbers on the car plate to track the car by using permutations. With permutations, we can find the number of possible sequences that are possible. A permutation is an arrangement in a definite order of a number of objects taken some or all at a time. The number of permutations of different objects taken are at a time, where 0 less than r less than or equal to array, and the objects do not repeat is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2. N minus r plus 1 brackets which is denoted by NPR. NPR and simplifying will equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial.
Here, we are using a concept called factorial. The factorial of a whole number n is defined as the product of that number with every whole number less than or equal to n till 1. For example, the factorial of a 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 24. It is represented using the symbol factorial. So, 24 is the value of 4 factorial. That we are understood the concept of permutation. Let us try to find the last 4 numbers of the card play. We now need to find how many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digit 1 to 9. If repetition of a digit is not allowed. Here, order matters. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 2, 4 are the 2 different card plate numbers. Therefore, here B has many 4-digit numbers as they are permutation of 4 9 different digits takes place at a time.
Come, let's find the location of the card.
The 2 detectives follow the car's location using a location tracker. They find the car abandoned in an old garage. Lying nearby, looking completely out of the place, with a piece of paper held down by a shovel.
What is this? I see you are tracking me. Photo. There's a bunch of letters arranged randomly. What would they mean? Maybe if we try rearranging the letters.
The detectives will again apply permutations. But in this case, in the letters BRIARLY, we can know that the total number of letters is 7 and the letter R is repeated twice. Due to this, the method to find the permutations will differ. Let us treat temporarily the 2 R's as different, say R1 and R2. The number of permutations of 7 different letters, in this case, taken all at a time, is 7 factorial. And since we have 2 letters repeating, total permutations will equal 7 factorial by 2 factorial, which is 2,520 permutations.
It says library. Probably we have to go there. No, look at these letters at the bottom. They read 221B Street. That is the shady street at the north of the city. Well, let's go there.
It didn't take my documents.
I see you phoned me. Glad wife and I have not been called. I'm in need of playing, you see.
While playing with cards, the thief is applying another mathematical concept called combinations. Combinations are a selection made by taking some or all of a number of objects, irrespective of their arrangement. The number of combinations of n different things taken r at a time is denoted by NCR, and it is given by NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, where 0 is lesser than r and r is lesser than n. In this case, the thief is holding 4 cards from a packet of 52 playing cards. How many of the 4 cards are of the same suit? There are 4 suits: diamond, club, spade, and heart. There are 13 cards of each suit. Therefore, there are 13 C4 ways of choosing 4 diamonds. Similarly, there are 13 C4 ways of choosing 4 clubs, spades, and hearts. Therefore, the required number of pairs is 13C4 plus 13C4 plus 13C4 plus 13C4, which equals 4 into 13 factorial by 4 factorial into 9 factorial, which will give us 2060 combinations.
The viewers, we will negotiate money after that.
Sorry, it's non-consequent.
You are under arrest. After the case is over, the detectives have decided to make a committee of 3 people to be posted near the Rosebee's residency as a precaution for the next 1 week. This committee is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? How many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? Here, order does not matter. Therefore, we need to count combinations. There will be as many committees as there are combinations of 5 different people, taken 3 at a time. Hence, the required number of ways is 5C3 is equal to 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial, that is equal to 4 into 5 by 2, that is equal to 10. Now, 1 man can be selected from 2 men in 2C1 ways and 2 women can be selected from 3 women in 3C2 ways. Therefore, the required number of committees is equal to 2C1 into 3C2. It is equal to 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 1 factorial into 3 factorial by 2 factorial.
Do you have to put it?
They have to look at the heart.
So that